Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Zindabad! Zindabad! Dalai Lama!
Ganzo China Geshuk Yomarwa, Tanga Ladam Nimala Kudola Power Yurda, Chetuaki Chiurwa, Power Chiurwa, Tanga Kudola Tuji Sikta Chirochi and Ishverwa.
Ladakh, a region nestled in the northernmost part of India, is known for its stunning landscapes, vibrant culture and spiritual heritage. But today, it has become the site of a different kind of spiritual movement.
Long live! Long live! Long live!
On 15 April 2023, thousands of people in Ladakh took to the streets to protest against those who are trying to defame His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. The protest was sparked by a viral video clip of His Holiness interacting with a young Indian boy. The clip, which was only a few seconds long, showed the Dalai Lama sticking out his tongue and playfully asking the boy to suck it. However, the clip was taken out of context and shared widely on social media, with many people accusing His Holiness of inappropriate behavior. The people of Ladakh, however, know better. They know that His Holiness is a beacon of hope and compassion, and that he has dedicated his life to the service of humanity. They also know that the clip has been tailored and manipulated to suit the agenda of those who want to defame him.
Long live Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! We stand with Dalai Lama! We stand with!
So they took to the streets in a peaceful but powerful show of support for His Holiness. They held up banners and posters that read, "We stand with Dalai Lama," and "Media, shame, shame." Indeed, it was some media houses which formally circulated the clip without investigating, or probably did so purposefully.
Media! Shame, shame! Media! Shame, shame! Media! Shame, shame!
The protests quickly gained momentum, with people from all walks of life joining in. Young and old, man and women, monks and lay people, everyone came together to raise their voice against the injustice that has been done to His Holiness.
Those who are involved in this particular event.
As the protest continued and gained momentum, the message became very clear. The people of Ladakh wouldn't let anyone tarnish the image of their beloved spiritual leader. And they would stand by him through thick and thin and defend his honor and integrity at all costs.
ये जो हमारा पवन पूज्य दलाई लामा जी है, ये हमारा सब कुछ है। हम इनके लिए अपना जान तक कुर्बान कर सकते हैं।
Many guests who spoke at the event expressed that it is a conspiracy theory done with the Chinese government's backing. We all know about the 50 Cent Party, a term used to refer to a group of internet users in China who were allegedly paid by the Chinese government to post pro-government comments and opinions online. The purpose of the 50 Cent Party is to shape public opinions and manipulate online discourses in favor of the Chinese government. It is also suspected that CCP is reaching out to so-called social media influencers for the same purpose.
आज हमें मालूम चल रहा है ये एक दो आदमी का काम नहीं है, इसके पीछे पूरा एक देश लगा हुआ है और वो कोई नहीं, हमारा पड़ोसी चाइना है, चाइनीज गवर्नमेंट है, चाइनीज गवर्नमेंट लगा हुआ है इसके पीछे। आप लोगों को ये पता करना पड़ेगा, पूरे रूट तक जाना पड़ेगा।
Maka kaso kita sa ikaspelayong yana na lapain chisbuk zerkan mo nga tantan sa chisbuk yana din. Yana din social media tamshi comments diya ke community kan mo tamang sa hirap pa kang duwan.
Jadi,
The protests sent a clear message to the world that the people of Ladakh are proud of their spiritual heritage and that they would not let anyone defeat it. And it reminded everyone that the Dalai Lama is not just a religious leader, but a symbol of hope and inspirations for millions of people around the globe.